Hello, I'm Matt Jablow, and this is the Baltimore Sun's weekly webcast focusing on crime-related issues here in the Baltimore area. We call it The Crime Scene. Today, once again, we explore a serious criminal case that remains unsolved, with the hope of helping provide police with a tip that could finally help lead to an arrest. Jonathan Luna was a 38-year-old prosecutor in the U.S. Attorney's Office in Baltimore, described by friends as charming, funny, and smart. On the night of December 3rd, 2003, he was at his office working on a plea bargain for a drug case. Just before midnight, the married father of 2 children apparently got in his car in the office garage and drove off, leaving his glasses and cell phone on his desk. 6 hours later, and 100 miles away from Baltimore, Luna's body was found near his car in a shallow creek in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. He had been stabbed more than 30 times, prompting the medical examiner to rule the case a homicide, though the official cause of death was drowning. A $100,000 reward was soon offered, and law enforcement officers in Maryland and Pennsylvania vowed to do everything in their power to find the person or people responsible. But more than 10 years later, not only has nobody been arrested, it remains very much unclear exactly what happened to Jonathan Luna. Indeed, this is a case rich in theories, with some people wondering if one of the drug dealers whom Luna once prosecuted had him killed as payback, while others, including unnamed law enforcement sources, suggested that Luna might have committed suicide under the weight of personal, professional, and financial problems. But neither theory has ever been proven, joining the case's long list of unanswered questions. And that's where you come in. Should you have any information about Jonathan Luna's death, anything at all that could help solve this enduring mystery, you're asked to call Pennsylvania Crime Stoppers at 1-800-4PA-TIPS. That's it for this edition of Crime Scene. Next week, another cold case, this one from 1969. A nun from Baltimore is reported missing. Then her body is found 2 months later in Halethorpe. 45 years later, the murder remains unsolved. That's next week on The Crime Scene. Until then, be sure to get the very latest crime news on the Sun's Baltimore Crime Beat blog and on Twitter at Baltimore Sun. I'm Matt Jablow. Thanks for watching.